Hi, welcome. Simon here. In this video, I'll be replacing the power button on a Lenovo laptop. Let's identify the model here. Take a look at the back of the computer. You can see that it's Lenovo Yoga 6 13ALC7. The replacement power button is here. It's just a little device that you can replace separately. And let's get started. I'll be using a Torque T5. Remove all the screws here. We need to remove the back cover in order to get the power button removed. So using a T5, remove the screws. There are 6 screws in total, holding down the bottom cover here. Once all the screws are removed, I'll be using a metal prying tool to go in between that cover and try to pry it open. At this point here, we need to identify where the power button is. It will be on the top left corner. It's held down by a Phillips screw. So get a Phillips screwdriver, remove the screw. And slide the connector to your left to disconnect that. With the replacement, it comes with a cable. If you want to reuse the original cable, you can just by removing it, sliding to your left, sliding to your right. Okay, and push it back in. Now I can feel the clicking sound to that, which is great. Put in the screw and feel the clicking if it clicks for you. Hope that you guys can hear the clicking sound. So that looks great. Let's put everything back together. And we're gonna try to turn it on and see if it works. If you're not sure where to buy the replacement part, please check the link down description below. I'll link it to either Amazon or eBay where you can find a replacement part for that. And if you find this video is helpful, please go ahead and click on YouTube Super Thanks. YouTube Super Thanks allow you to share your gratitude. I really appreciate you for supporting the work that I do, the video that I make, and the channel. And please do not forget to smash the like button and subscribe if you want to. Alright, once everything is connected, let's see if it turns on. Yep, it is turning on. I can see that it powers up just fine. So there you have it. Alright, thanks for watching. Until next time, take care and bye now.